Welcome back to the lily garden. Let's dig in. Today I'm going to show you late flowering lilies. The first one is Roselily Anushka. It's a lovely double one with a little greenish tint, and you know me how much I like greenish plants. Unfortunately there is some fusarium in the plants. This one is Gomera, and this is a part of course, my lily soil trial. This one is supposed to be yeah, it's virtuoso, so it's virtuoso, but this one is supposed to be garden party, but it's not. You can see that the fusarium makes a lot of damage in Orientals, and this one is dizzy. It's not the best, but it is what it is. This dark colored one is beautiful. It should be firebolt, and you can see I still have some broken stems because of the storm, and we are going to have another rain soon, so I'm just going to be quick and efficient. And this one is Auratum platyphilum. It's a beautiful species. Some of my lily cultivars. And this one is Lucky Angel. It looks nice. And the pink one is Varese, double flower. And this one is Fredo. And this one is Bufferari, I believe. Yes, it's Bufferari. It's got a nice big flower when it's not virus infected. And Hachi, and The Edge, and Stargazer, some OT, and Josephine, and you can see how virus makes color breaking. I'm looking very much forward to the hosta flowers. I hope we're going to have some this year. The Eucharis is in bloom. The Gloriosas are nice. And we had a lot of rain, well, considerably a lot, that we used to have like 4 to 6 weeks without any rain. And you can see some of my crosses were very successful. These are really nice. These ones are not that great. They're going to die soon, I believe. So yeah. And look at the nice lilies, Auratum. And this one is an OT hybrid. I don't know what's the name because it was in a mix, so it's got mixed up with other cultivars. And our gladiola is going to flower soon. And there's a leaf hopper. I try to zoom in for you so you can see that that's a leaf hopper there. And I haven't seen this leaf hopper before. That doesn't mean it's invasive, it just means that I wasn't careful enough and it jumped. So leaf hoppers, they jump and then they fly. Lovely lilies, some orange trumpet, I like the color, OTs. And this is another beautiful hybrid of Anton Mago, but it has to be replanted next year because it's in a deep pocket where the water stands. And this one is White Planet. It has a fully upright flower. I like it very much. And yeah, well, not many new flowers are this year because the lily season is finishing, but I can show you what's left. So some of the OTs are going to flower for a couple of days, weeks maybe. And this is Scheherazade, and it's opening up quite nicely. I'm going to collect some pollen from it, and trumpets and other Aurelians, OTs are opening. So, but we have this really heavy rain, so look at this nice flower, beautiful. I have to dig the onions soon, so they died down already. Some trumpet seedlings. Well, maybe I should have dig them up earlier, but I didn't have time with all the lily flowers. And this is a very interesting phenomenon with garlic, that sometimes the flower stem doesn't come up over the flowers, but it bursts open the leaf sheets and makes bulbils, and there's bulbil up in here too. So Egyptian walking onions and the summer onion or elephant garlic, and I still have Aquilegia flowering. It's a chance seedling, and I think that would be all for today. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you next time in my garden, and happy gardening till then.